Hello, welcome back to Tell's Hobbies. In this video, it's a bit of a different video, this one's a bit more of a vlog type video. I've been out today in various shops, local hobby shops. I've got a few bits and pieces, so I thought I'll share and have a look at together and look at these. Yeah, so let's take you through it. So I've picked up some more army painter tufts here. These are the meadow ones, so they look quite good, and they start in like the small size here, size 30, and as they get bigger and bigger, it goes up to size 12 here. So yeah, I'm sure they look good on the railway. So yeah, just another thing there. And I saw this in Hobbycraft. I've been looking for some little drill set. I saw in Hobbycraft. I had some really tiny drills, so I'm just going to open this up quickly now. Like how small these are, absolutely tiny. I don't know if you can see it there in that photo there. Really small. I put my finger there. You can really see the size they go down to. So yeah, absolutely tiny. That's the little sort of vice tool that you use to put them in. So you know, it's quite a handy thing for sort of hobby crafting. So if you've been after something like that, Hobbycraft, that's where I got this from. So yeah, so that's that little drill set. I've got some paintbrushes in Hobbycraft too. These were, you know, quite cheap in Hobbycraft. But I came across this one here as well. This really ultra small one there. My finger there. So that's really good for detailing on small models. So it says a 440. So fantastic little brush. A small layering brush there as well. So some new brushes. In the hobby shop, I picked up these barrels. I'm going to be putting with the goods yard. So they look really good. There's some small ones there. So yeah, I'm going to, in my next video, I'm going to be painting those, and with a selection of things. I've got these railway workers here as well. So I'm going to be painting those. I'm going to open these now, and I'm going to show you the detail of these. They look really good. They look like the best figures I've had so far. Yeah, if we look at these, they've got so much detail. I'm going to hold that close up to the top camera here. So much detail. So these will should be fantastic to make. I'll show you here in this camera, and you get quite a lot in the pack. They're the same figures in each sprue, but you get quite a lot of selection, so you can paint them. You have different options of painting. So in my next video, I'm going to be painting those. I'm going to be doing more detail to the goods yard building. So I'm gonna be painting those soon. So I look forward to that. I saw this moss texture. So that's quite good for adding moss. You can use it on trees as well, side of buildings. So I'm sure that'll be handy. And I'm going to and I've got this one here as well, corrosion texture. So we'll see if that's quite any good, like a rust effect. Again, that's the AK paint. These are smaller tubs than those other tubs I used for doing the road scene. These are smaller tubs, so they do absolutely loads of different ones you can get. So I'm gonna sort of collect all different ones. I'm sure they're going to be handy for different sceneries. Now, something I've been doing off camera and in the background, something I've had an interest in for quite some time, is going off subject from Model Railway, is Warhammer. So I've made in the past various Warhammer figures and painted them. I'll show you in this top video here. I really love painting these, like all the detail and everything. So I've got this one here that I've primed already, and I was going to paint this one over the next few days, and I wanted to show it on camera. Wondered if you guys would be interested in seeing the video of me painting this Warhammer figure. This guy here is an ultramarine, Lieutenant Titus. It's one of the main characters in the Ultramarines. If you let me know in the comments if you're into Warhammer. Yeah, so that's what I've been up to the last few days. I've been out and about. It's been too hot in the summer house here to do much. So, but I'm going to be making my new videos soon. So I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to get the trains running a little bit and have a little play with the trains going. Yeah, look out for the next video, and take care guys, and we'll see you in the next one.